You can most certainly install these hinges without one of these, but this jig is going to make this way easier. I'm doing 20 hinges, so I figured I would make an investment. And basically what you do is you line this up. It has measurements right here, so you can put your hinges wherever you want. What I'm going to do is just hold it to the edge right here for my first hinge. For the bigger doors, I'm going to put 3 hinges in, and for the smaller ones, I'll put 2. You have this bit right here, which is 1 3/8, it looks like. And you put this in here, and it locks on like this. It has a stop collar, which will stop when you hit the proper depth. These go in about 1/2 inch. You can also adjust this right here, which is basically how far your hinge is going to be set in this way. And I have this set so that I believe it says right here 1/8 inch from the edge, and that will make it so the overlay is 1 1/4 like I want. So I'm going to put this here like this, clamp it down, and do all my hinges. And as you're securing this jig, just make sure these are tight, and then you can clamp it. I would suggest definitely doing 2 clamps. Make sure it doesn't move. And then we drill. So you get to that stop collar, and you can take this off. I'm going to vacuum all this up. Now I have a 1/16 inch pilot bit. This is where the screws are going to go for the hinge. You can put a piece of tape on here so you don't drill through the door, but I put the bit in so that this will actually stop me. So it's impossible to go through the door. Move the jig, and we have a perfectly bored hole for your hinge. I ended up getting Ravinti hinges. Not sponsored, but these were a pretty popular choice. I think they're gonna work good. And they have these for shipping, so I'm just gonna hold that, take the screws out. The hinge sits in just like that. And your hinge is installed, and I just have to do that 19 more times. But before I move on, I do want to talk about hinge restrictors, because these are so hard to find ones that work with your hinges. So I'm going to leave a link in the description over to where you can get these, and they work with these hinges. They don't work with all of them, but with these particular ones, they do. And if you don't know what a hinge restrictor does, right here, this, if you can picture, is the face frame. This door is going to be hitting the wall. If it's like this, and the 2 doors in the middle will be hitting each other. So what you do is you take these hinge restrictor clips and you put them right in here. Make sure they're snapped in. And then when you open the door, it will restrict it. So now it'll basically be straight out. So it won't hit the wall, and hopefully the doors won't hit in the middle. So I'm going to put all those on too before I install these. I'll put one in the center. And don't think I need a hinge restrictor in the middle.